Welcome back out there, all you Radio Land listeners. Here we go on page 643. This is April Fool's Day. That's funny right there. Okay, so we've got this one's an ellipse because the coefficients are different. We've got two squared terms. This one's a hyperbola because we have two squared terms, but one of them is negative. So think about this, that's a 2y squared right there. If this was negative 2y squared, they would eliminate. So all I have to do is multiply this. Let's stack those squared terms together. That's 4x squared minus 2y squared. That's this one. 2 times 5, that's 10. And then notice those eliminate. You get 9x squared is 36. Divide by 9. X squared is 4. Take the square root. Make sure you do plus or minus. X is plus or minus 2. So I need to take that and put it in one at a time, of course, right here. So let's put positive 2 in first. Let's see, we square first before we multiply. So don't do 4 squared, do 4. That's 8 minus y squared is 5. Subtract 8. Negative y squared is negative 3. Take the square root. Y squared is, first we want to change the signs. Y is let me not do two steps at once. Negative y squared is negative 3. Divide by negative 1. That's better. Y squared is 3. Take the square root. Y is plus or minus root 3. So this means for 2 I get, when x is 2, I get both of these. Okay, but think about it if you would. Now I need to put negative 2 in there. But if I came up here and changed this to a negative and squared it, I'm still going to get a 4. So at negative 2, I get the same ones. Very good. And that only took 3 minutes. Here's 21. X squared plus y squared is 16. X squared minus 4x plus y squared is 12. Well, since this is x squared and x, I want to change this, but look right here, if I subtract x squared from both sides, I get this, and then I can take this and go put it right in there for y squared. So I would get x squared minus 4x minus x squared plus 16 is 12. Oh look, that's pretty nice. Negative 4x plus 16 is 12. Subtract 16. Divide by, I got 1. So in 21, I get that x is 1. Notice I only have one answer right here. I don't have plus or minus. But this is a circle, and that one's a circle. So two circles are going to cross probably just at a point. But look right here, I've got y squared minus this, and I'm going to put 1 in there for x. Okay, so y squared is negative 1 plus 16. Y squared is 15. Take the square root. Y is plus or minus root 15. So that means one time I get this point, the next time I get that point. Well, of course, two circles, come on, they're going to cross twice. How do I know it's a circle? Both squares, same coefficients. Two squares, same coefficients. That tells me it's a circle. There's 21, one more. 22 x squared plus y squared equals 8. 5y squared equals 3x squared. Huh. Well, it would be nice maybe if I could substitute something. So I tell you what, let's come over here to this one and let's just do a 3. 3x squared plus 3y squared is 24. Subtract 3y squared. 3x squared equals negative 3y squared plus 24. And now I've got a 3x squared and a 3x squared. So I can take this one and just go substitute it right there. And that'll give me 5y squared equals negative 3y squared plus 24. Add 3y squared to both sides. 8y squared is 24. Divide by 8. I feel like I'm going really fast. Take the square root. Y is plus or minus root 3. Well, there's my y's. And then this is probably the best place to test it. Right here, because notice I got two y's. Well, this one's a circle, and that one's a hyperbola. These things cross 4 times. They might. So let's see, let's leave the 5 alone. Let's put root 3 in there the first time and square it. So this is 5. Root 3 squared is just 3. That's 15. Divide by 3. That's 5. Take square root. X is plus or minus root 5. So when I did root 3 for y, I'm doing the positive one first. And then I got these 2. Okay, now I need to do negative root 3, but just like we had a while ago, think about this. If there's a negative right here, I'm going to get the same 2 answers. So a negative root 3, I'm going to get the same 2 answers. I mean, hyperbolas are like this. Circles are like that. I'm not surprised we crossed at 4 points. Okay, and there we go on 22. This video's under 15 minutes. Good, so YouTube's not going to fuss at me. And we're going to have y'all do these next 3. Let's see, let's get the right book. How about 643? Okay, we'll do these down here at the end. 23, 24, and 25. We just did those 3 right there. So I want you to do these 3 right here. So if we blow this up a little bit, make it a little bit better. Okay, tomorrow's a review day. The review will be attached. And we're over and out. And miss y'all. Bye.